All right, you probably knew this by now. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency's dying. But it's weird because Bitcoin's dying more. That's really weird. Usually Bitcoin increases in dominance, and it looks a little suspicious. We'll be talking about all those details and more. Sorry, guys. I haven't made a lot of videos like this with the front angle and like all the nice stuff because I've been kind of busy. Since I got back from vacation, it's been pretty hectic. But yeah, a lot of things I don't want to talk about on my YouTube channel, but who likes guns? You like guns? I like guns. I just bought a lot of guns. I got an AR-15, and honestly, I don't want to disclose everything, but I like guns. Gun owners, leave a comment below. What type of gun do you like? There's no clip in this. There's no clip. Don't worry, guys. I won't. Oh! I'm just kidding. I'm joking. That was a bad joke, but a good intro. What's up, Loki? Get out of the room. Get out of the room. I can't even make a video. But yeah, today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and what I see going on in the market. It's been pretty straightforward, but I got to, show you guys some evidence and some price charts and some news and stuff like that because I've been saying the same thing over and over again in every video, and I know you're getting tired of it. So some news that I think is interesting. Let's go over that. Let's talk about some news that I think is interesting. Wait, hold up. Yeah, see, I got new lighting too, man. A lot of new things out there. All right, so if we come over here, John McAfee, obviously he died. Nobody knows how he died. It was a mysterious death. He was threatening a lot of people before he died. Guys, look, again, be a gun owner, be a gun owner, okay? Because freedom of speech is expensive. Catch my drift? Freedom of speech is expensive, but John McAfee, his corpse is still in the Spanish morgue a year after his death. They don't want to give his body back for some reason. And as we know, before he died, he posted tweets saying, like specifically saying, if I suicide myself, I didn't, I was whacked. And also, again, like I said, he was calling out a lot of people. Don't quote me on this, but I believe it was Hillary Clinton and a lot of people, some very powerful people. So yeah, be careful what you say on the internet. It can get you whacked. If you come over here, there is something else I wanted to talk about. Look, the Celsius, BlockFi, I mean, look, they're all pretty much connected at this point. They've all shared money in different ways. So I called this 2 months ago. You can go reference my videos. I specifically said, and I'm always so early to things. That's kind of like I don't know if it's a problem, but I definitely have more of a position trader, investor type of mentality. And I specifically said over and over again that cryptocurrency was going to have liquidity issues. And it's really sad that these liquidity issues are playing out in this way. Now, obviously, there might be a little warfare going on between FTX exchange. And again, I don't know anything. I'm not going to sit here and speculate. Again, like I said, be careful what you say on the internet. But, they're all kind of going back and forth, and somebody's bailing out this person, and somebody gets liquidated here. And guys, look, the centralized actors, they're at a big war right now, right? Clearly, whether it's a war or like it's, musical chairs, whatever you want to call it, there's definitely some pressure going on. So again, we could talk about macro conditions, and I say this a lot, but until that settles, I don't think crypto is coming back. So crypto lender Celsius hires more advisors ahead of possible bankruptcy. Can they go bankrupt? Very likely. You will see things go to zero. Back in the day in crypto history, it did play out like this sometimes, but it was mostly, from my experience, fake hacks. So at least in this case, they're being a little bit honest and transparent, whatever that means nowadays. But there's a lot of hacks, like the Mt. Gox hack and a couple of other hacks, and people running away with money from the exchange. Now it's just this big warfare, this big like liquidity warfare. So be careful. If you're the small guy, if you have less than $1 million, you are the small guy. So take cover. Okay, take cover. We've been talking about. I've been out of the market for like 2 months. This is why you see me kind of calm here. I'm calm. I don't care. It's not that big of a deal to me. Yeah. So Sam Bankman-Fried. He's supposedly bailing out crypto firms like BlockFi and Voyager. Look, they're all over leveraged. Pretty much every single one of them has been having issues. So, oh man, hopefully this convinces some people to take your money off of exchanges. Now, I have made money on some exchanges. Like I bought my Tesla through Celsius. I took a loan out on my ETH because I didn't want to sell my ETH. I made a whole bunch of money off that, and I still bought a Celsius at the same time. But those things work at the beginning of the bull run, not at the end. At the end of the bull run, man, run for the hills. Take your money out of everything. It's not that they're Ponzi schemes. I mean, technically everything on planet Earth, including the Federal Reserve, is a Ponzi scheme. It's just there's some Ponzi schemes with credibility and some that don't have credibility. But I will say that cryptocurrency is new, man. It's the wild, wild west of finance. This is the why I've called it this for so long, because it's just so new. Treat it as so. Don't get comfortable in any of these protocols. I don't care which protocol it is. Do not get comfortable. If you're getting comfortable, that's what's going to leave you vulnerable. The biggest positions that I was scared about, all the big positions that I had, there were some that I was very scared about and there were some that I was very comfortable about. The ones that I was scared about, I sold closer to the top. So treat crypto like little mini Ponzi's everywhere, even though obviously we know they're not Ponzi's, and it's the beginning, right? Innovation, right? This just came out today, and this was a little scary. And again, oh man, when it rains, it pours, especially in crypto. Crypto gets bad. $100 million worth of crypto has been stolen in another major hack. This one was for the Harmony Bridge. There's been a lot of bridge hacks, man. There's definitely some vulnerability in bridges, for sure. But yeah, I mean, I don't know how you. I don't know. There's people are scrambling. That's basically the industry right now. Everyone's scrambling to juice out the last whatever they got. Hackers, taking advantage of the protocols. Coin founders doing these crazy marketing tricks. I mean, yeah, man, crypto, especially when the market's going down, you can really see the true colors of everybody in the industry. I put a tweet out, and I really believe this. Not only do I believe this is true, and I will prove it to you guys soon. I'm coming out with a master list. I'll prove it to you guys soon. But basically, there was really, if you look at every influencer, there was two types of influencers most of the time. Maybe three. You could probably say three. The first one is the most vicious, in my personal opinion, and the worst, which was the pump and dumpers. Basically getting paid to show coins, and some of them disclosed, but most of them undisclosed, which is illegal. That was the first type of vicious influencer. The second one, I think they might have made the most money. I don't know if it's as bad, but they definitely made probably the most money. It was the leverage traders. Now, the reason why I don't say it's as vicious is because at least you're promoting something that's everybody kind of knows leverage trading is extremely difficult, right? But the problem with leverage trading that pisses me off the most is that it's basically a casino. And I say this because, I mean, technically all crypto is a casino, but at least the rules are transparent in all of crypto. And I mean, depends on who's watching this video, but the point I'm trying to make is that when you're leverage trading on a specific exchange, it's like playing the casino and the odds are stacked against you because it's house rules, right? It's yeah, Bitcoin pumps and dumps because of the price of Bitcoin going up and down. But also if you're trading on a specific exchange, there's specific prices relative to the specific exchange. And they have all of the odds are in the exchange's favor. Just understand that to get you liquidated, because they make that fee when you guys get liquidated. So those influencers just promoted trading as much as they possibly can, basically the whole entire bull and bear run. Promoted as much trading as possible to get as many fees, because that's how they make money. A really good indicator to understand someone's credibility is to figure out how they made money. And then, there was kind of the third person, which really didn't, they kind of just promoted everything. Every exchange they possibly could, every sponsorship they could ever take, they just took it. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of a hybrid of the first two, I guess. And, again, I made a coaching program. You guys don't know this, right? So maybe it's a bad thing, but I think maybe it's a good thing. We've been recently getting some cyber attacks because of the truth I spread. And again, I'm not going to get specific because I can't. But yeah, I mean, hopefully we got some gun owners. I'm just joking. It's definitely a joke. But yeah, you guys know how I make money. When people make money or save money, I make money. Right? So if you notice the influencers, every time someone loses money, they make money. In my case, if people make money or save money, people rebuy my membership. If they rebuy my membership, I make more money. So I don't know. What type of business do you want to run? Do you want to run a McDonald's where you're killing people with fast food? Or do you want to run a Benihana's with clean meat and a great experience? Personally, I rather run a Benihana's. I don't know. That's just me. McDonald's kills people. I don't want to kill people to make money. I just don't. All right, if we come over here, Bitcoin's price, you could see that, yeah, we've been falling. I mean, it's pretty much sideways. It could take a long period of time. We don't know for sure. how far sideways we're going to go or how long it's going to take. But if we can just draw the rule over here just to see kind of a representation, it took 30 days there to break down. Over here, probably a little bit longer, probably 2 to 3 months. This is so irrelevant. I'm just trying to give you a little, because like once people see like a little bounce like this, they start getting all bullish, and it's like, bro, it's been a couple days. Let it play out a little bit. Have some patience. Bear run patience, man. I switched my Twitter picture to like this winter coat and like a ski mask, and it's because I'm representing winter. It's winter. Crypto winter. Now, there's one thing I do want to point out, and then you can kind of make your own decision for yourself. But my goal here is not to provide financial advice. If you just draw the exact top of Bitcoin's price all the way down, you have a 94% decrease. And that will bring us down to $4,000 Bitcoin. Now, will that happen? I doubt it. But do I think, I don't know, something like an 85% decrease, which would bring us down to about 10K BTC can happen, or 14K BTC? Yes, I do think so. I'm sorry, guys. I know everybody thinks that at this point, that Bitcoin's going to go down 14K, but like, bro, like I get it. I think I saw Alex Becker tweet. He's like, oh, everybody thinks Bitcoin's going to 14K, so that means it's not. But it's like, bro, the market's dead. Like, centralized exchanges are fighting each other. What do you want me to tell you? Hawkish Fed policy, inflation, higher food prices. Like, I'm going to scream it because we're going into a full-on recession. It's not bounce time. It's just not. I'm sorry. I'm not justifying bullish nature to get followers. Now, hopefully, that didn't make anybody mad, but it's the truth. Centralized exchanges are getting liquidated, filing for bankruptcy. How is that not scream bear run to you? Why are people so short-sighted? I don't know. Why? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Smart people are so short-sighted nowadays. It just doesn't make sense to me. I don't get it. I really don't. Please, someone let me know in the comment section below. Why are people getting bullish? Why are people getting bullish? Please tell me. I want to know. I really want to know. Now, again, this doesn't mean like I personally believe we're going to come down more. But you have to recognize what type of trader you are, right? If you're a hodler, it's okay. Hodl. These are great positions. You can buy more as it goes down, and that's the goal here. That's what you set yourself up to do, right? That's what a lot of people like to do. That's fine. Personally, I like to buy low and sell high. Personally, I'm going to buy the bear runs, and I'm going to sell the bull runs. So I got out. That's my personal strategy. It's a position trader. I hold positions for anywhere from 1 to 3 years, depending on what you consider position trading. Some people want to hold forever. Some people never sell ever, and they just keep buying every bottom. They just keep buying. And if that's you, that's fine. There's no reason to feel bad about me saying it's coming down. If anything, you should be using this time to accumulate more cash. Go work a second job or do something to get more cash to buy the dip even more aggressive and double down on your conviction of never selling. But the problem here, and I've said this multiple times, when you tell someone, oh yeah, just hold forever and DCA to the bottom, the problem with this is that people will be not only will they get emotional and sell in an emotional way at the exact bottom. Not only that is very likely to happen, but also some people just get forced to sell. They're just forced to sell. Why? I don't know. Big surgery came up. I don't know. You need new tires for your car and you can't get to work anymore. I don't know. Somebody needs to borrow money for some type of emergency. People will get forced to sell the bottom because they have cash flow issues. The only people that can dollar cost average and for real do it forever and never worry about it are people that have cash flow. A fat cash flow system. That is the only people that can really do that to a high effective way. If we got to wait the next year and you don't have any money, because that's the thing, some people are just too overexposed. They put too much money. Obviously, for rule number 1, don't put too much money in crypto. Obviously, hopefully you know that by now. But some people have already fell victim to that. So the pain is too much. They're going to sell at the bottom. And this is the problem. This is why I've been trying to tell people over and over again. It's like, yeah, you could DCA. That's cool. And I'm for it. And I respect people that do that. But please just understand that you think it might be easy, but it's a little bit harder than you think. And that's just honest truth. Now, if we look at the DXY, you can see it kind of rejected, okay, at this, you can call it resistance, whatever you guys want to call it, right? This kind of like a trend line here. It's not a trend line, but this is a area of resistance, right? And it looks like we were trying to break through. We had this rejection, came back down. It looks like it's making a downtrend, but this would be kind of great. Well, not really, but if you look throughout history, Bitcoin typically does better if this comes down. Personally, I think it's going to make support here and continue higher just because of the macro conditions. Hawkish Fed policy, guys. Hawkish Fed policy destroys other countries. If other countries are having issues, their currency is going to inflate faster than USD. If it inflates faster than USD, then people are going to flock to USD to preserve their wealth in other countries. So as other countries preserve their wealth in USD, the DXY will increase in value. So I think it's going to potentially go higher. I don't know. We have to watch. It's pretty uncertain. It's probably a bad prediction in my personal opinion. So we'll keep an eye on that. If we look at the 10-year bonds, remember, guys, when this goes up, that's essentially uncertainty. It's a bad thing. When it goes up, that's a bad thing. That means that people are not taking out, 10-year government bonds, right? And the yield is increasing. So, hopefully we can come back down. But, this is definitely signaling that people are losing confidence in the United States government system. And we're going risk off, man. Risk off. What we've been saying over and over again. Also, if you look at USDC dominance, at one point I was looking at USDT and I still do. But USDC looks like it's getting more adoption for obvious reasons. People trust the United States government, and this could be the new. Let me stop. I'm not going to say it. But if we come over here, you could see that we did break through this trend line and could be potentially making some support. I mean, I don't like doing too much technical analysis on dominance charts, but yeah, you could just clearly see that we're getting a little bit parabolic. And over here, it's just a little bit more aggressive upswing than every other time, right? So it's just it's getting more and more aggressive. To a certain extent, is it a parabola? Probably not, but you get the point. It's making higher highs and higher lows. So this means that people are just moving to stable coins. This is a bearish sign for the entire market. Pay attention. If we look at Bitcoin dominance, this is kind of like the video title's about. Man, what the heck is that? What is that? That looks like a collaborated attack on Bitcoin. That's what it looks like to me. Yeah, that looks like a collaborated attack on Bitcoin. You guys tell me what you think. But look at all of these kind of downswings here. And then look at that one. Wow. And what we're looking at here is Bitcoin dominance. So when this chart goes up, that means Bitcoin's gaining dominance. When this chart goes down, that means Bitcoin's losing dominance to altcoins. And it was going up for a while there, for a long period of time. And then boom, they're like, no, sir. You will not go above 50% dominance again. Now, I claimed, and I even kind of retracted that claim recently. I claimed that Bitcoin would never go above 50% dominance again. It hasn't yet. I don't know. The altcoins, it looks like the altcoin industry is coming in with the heat. They're not leaving this market without a fight. And what the heck was this? I was fully expecting this to break through. Pretty much every bear run, everybody consolidates to BTC, and it's always been a thing. But what the heck is this? They brought that thing back down. They brought it down fast. Looks like a coordinated attack there. How many red candlesticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. And then look at this one. What the heck? I don't know. We got to watch it. We got to watch this, but yeah, the altcoin industry looks like they want their dominance. They look like they're not going out without a fight. So that excites me a lot. That excites me a lot because obviously, Bitcoin's great and, it's not controlled and, it's the most liquid, most infrastructure, biggest brand. I get it. But at the end of the day, the thing that's going to make you rich is altcoins. If you want that 50x, that 20x, that 30x, that 100x, it's going to be in altcoins. Bitcoin's not 100xing no more. So for me, the little guy, and I don't know how little you are, but for me, I want to make as much money as I possibly can off altcoins. That's my goal here. So this coming down is definitely a good sign that next cycle, altcoins are going to put up a big fight. So I like that. Now, there's not a lot of altcoins that have outcompeted Bitcoin by percentage gains, but there are some, and the list keeps growing. So again, let's play the long game. Let's think about this in 40, 50-year terms, guys. Like, I know that's too long. Oh, I'm going to be old. Oh, I'm going to be dead. But like, that's how this works. This asset class is like less than 20 years old. So think a little bit long term. It'll make your life easier, way easier, and less stressful. And also definitely become a gun owner if you can, for sure. Guns are a good thing. Protect yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Follow me on Twitter, Alex on Crypto. I'm going to be making more videos. I'm coming out here more. I promise, guys. It just got really hectic after I came back from vacation. I can't even relax anymore. Came back from Jamaica, and it's just like boom, 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 boom. Problem after problem. So yeah, I'm getting back into the swing of things and make more video for you guys. At one point, I was like uploading like 2 or 3 videos a day. What other person runs a digital course, handles his own Twitter, and uploads 3 videos of it a day? You don't know any influencer that does that. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm on day 45 of my running thing, and I increased it to 3 miles. So if you guys know, I've been running 2 miles every single day for 67 days, and I just increased it to 3 miles. So I'm becoming a savage. I'm getting better. I really do think I'm going to take over this industry through the bear run. Stick along with me. I'll stick by your side. I'll be here the whole time, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 6 years. I love cryptocurrency. It made me financially independent. It changed my life. I changed countless lives around me. And I am going to drag every single one of you by your hair across the finish line, the bear market finish line. So please stay with me. I'll have some motivational videos, I promise. If you want face-to-face coaching, we do have a coaching system called Fundamental Secrets. You can check the pinned comment below. That's it for this video. I love you guys. Catch you in the next video. If you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism. Subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, if you don't get with it, you will get left behind. Catch you guys in the next video.